Okay, so hello guys. Today we're gonna perform an engine failure with the Cessna G1000, and let's take a look to our beautiful Cessna. I'm not a real pilot. I'm a simulator pilot. So let's go. We release the parking brake. We set flaps one, and then we add more fuel. Maximum thrust. Let's take a look outside. Yeah. Flaps up. Yeah. Now we have a better view. We're gonna decrease our speed and then we will perform the engine failure. Okay, we will perform the engine failure now. We will cut the fuel. Mayday, mayday, mayday. We have engine failure. We're searching for a nice place to land. So guys, we need to watch our speed. Okay, we need to watch our speed. So our speed now is like 70 knots. We need to take a good turn. We need always to watch the speed. We're gonna use the flaps in the last minute. Mayday, 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 we have an engine failure. Mayday. Yeah, we are now fine. We are fine. We are 70 knots. So now we will use first flaps, our second flaps, our third flaps. Yeah, we did it. We hit the brakes. We set the parking brake. Control, this is Fox Whiskey Mike 47. We are fine. Please send us the towing truck. So it's easy, guys. So what we need to do, especially with this small plane, is to keep an eye on the speed. So if we pitch down a little bit, we will we will we will get our recommended speed, and we will never stop. Of course, when we have an engine failure, we need to search for a good place to land. In our case, we have the airport and the runway above us, so we can land it easy. Okay, and the reason why I didn't put the flaps down when I'm high, because I will lose the speed so easily, especially with this fixed wing small aircraft. So I have used the flaps near the ground just to flare. Okay, guys, I hope you understand what I was doing, and I'm sorry for my bad language. It's not my native language. And if you have any question or you need to see something special, I'm ready to do it. I have a lot of planes, a lot of jet fighters. If you want to subscribe, if you don't, thank you for watching. and